will talk about how can you use BeReal app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on BeReal, just click on it here. So when you click here on BeReal, it's going to open with you. Just here waiting to open with you on your phone. So it's going to show for you like this, and here you select your country here. So I'm going to select my country. Can you add any country you're looking for here? Sorry. So when you add your country here, when you select it, you add here your phone number. Then you click here on send verification text. Just click on it here. So then you just, when you add your phone number, just waiting to get your code from your WhatsApp. So it's going, you will get your code from your WhatsApp. So then here in this list, you add your verification number. So it's going to show for you here in your WhatsApp. Then you get here your number here. So here when you add your number, you just within here. So it's going to open with you here now. So then here like you see now, you get your BeReal. So it's going to show for you like this. And firstly, we will go to talk about your profile. Just click here on profile. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Go above this sign here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on your profile. Here can you change your photo profile here. And here your name, then your username. And here can you add your view. And here add your location. When you down, just click on save. So then we will go back. Here can you connect with your Spotify. If you have it, can you just click here on connect. And here you will connect with your Spotify here. So then here when you click on notifications, can you manage your notifications here? Your friends posts if you want to disable it or enable it, or official account posts or community posts, or here friend requests and new followers, then here mentions and tags, then here comments and real emojis here, and stickers, then real fun and events here. So when you like for example, when you disable this, just click on save to save video. Then when you enable it, you click here on save to save video. So then here in privacy, if you want to here to see your blocked users, you just click on here. And here if you want to hide users, just I have no users yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you here. Then can you hit them. And here can you connect your friends if you want to enable it here or disable it. Can you find here by your phone number. So here if you want to manage it in contact sync. So then we will go back now. Here time zone, if you want to select your time zone here. So you have all time zone. Then when you select it, you just click on save here to save video. So then when you go down here, can you log out from your account. So we will go back here, and it's going to show for you like this here. Then when you click here on shots, it's going to show for you like this. So then here you will find your shots. I have no shots yet, but if you have it, it's going to show for you like this. When you just click here on this camera here, can you here so can you make here your BeReal, can you make it here or create, can you create here like you see in this list. Just click on it like this, and can you create it here on your BeReal app. So then we will go back here. Here can you search. When you click on search, can you search for your friends and more here. Here can you search for them to use your sorry. Here can you search for them to use your QR code like you see. So in here can you get your invite friends, and when you click here on home, so before I forget, when you click on search, here can you looking for your friends in this list up, and here too can you search for them here. So then when you click here on home, it's going to show for you like this, and can you check your BeReal here, then it's going to show for you your camera here to create it. So in up here you found all notifications, it's going to show for you like this here. If you want to solve or fix any problems you have on your BeReal, so I'm going to show for you a way to fix and solve all problems on your BeReal app. In the first, so you go to your settings. I'm going to click here on my settings here. So then it's going to show for you like this in your settings. You just go down here until you will find your apps, click on it. Then here you're looking for your BeReal or just search for it. Sorry. You click on search and you click here on BeReal. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. Then you click on force stop, you click on OK. You go down here, click on storage. You click here on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store. You just go to your Play Store here, click on your Play Store. Then it's going to show for you like this here in your Play Store. You go down, click here on search. Just click on search here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on search apps. So then here I'm going to looking for BeReal. It's going to show for you like this. You click on it here. So then it's going to show for you like this. You click here on BeReal. Just click on it. So then it's going to show for you like this. When you have any problem or any problem you have on your app, it's going to show for you here update. So you just click here on update here. Just click on update. Then when you click here on update, just switch into end with you. When your updates it's done, so you go to your app, and you will find all problems you have, and any problem you have on your app is fixed with you. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching, and let your comment uh, in that. So thank you for watching.